I am Amina Sheikh, studying in KLS VDIT from 3rd Sem CSE department.
I am Shweta Patil from KLS VDIT, 3rd Sem Computer Science.
I am Tuba Miraj from KLS VDIT, 3rd Sem Computer Science department.
Hello everyone, I am Megha Biradar, studying in KLS VDIT from Computer Science department and 3rd semester.
Hello everyone, I am Srishti Adlimat, studying in KLS VDIT from Computer Science department and from 3rd sem.
A sewage treatment plant is a facility that cleans wastewater from homes, industries and businesses before releasing it back to the environment. It typically involves several stages, including primary stage to remove solids, secondary stage to break down organic matter,
Tertiary treatment for further purification. The process helps to protect public health and environment by removing pollutants and contamination from the water waste. Objectives of sewage treatment plant is to improve the quality of wastewater, elimination of pollutants, toxicants, preservation of water quality of natural resources, to make wastewater usable for other purposes, prevention of harmful diseases. Tertiary treatment for further purification. The process helps in protect public health and the environment by removing pollutants and contaminants from the water waste.
Enters the plant for treatment, it flows through a screen which removes a large floating object such as rags and sticks that might clog pipes or damage equipment. After sewage has been screened, it passes into a grid chamber where cinders, sand and small stones settle to the bottom.
Process of sewage treatment plant. Sewage treatment plant run wastewater through multiple treatment stages. After preliminary filtration, there are three main stages of wastewater treatment: primary, secondary and tertiary, with the third stage reserved for polishing.
Aeration tank where it is mixed with the sludge. Air is then pumped into the aeration tank to facilitate the growth of bacteria and other small organisms within the sludge. The bacteria and other microorganisms break down the organic matter in the water into harmless byproducts.
BOD and COD. The biochemical oxygen demand represent amount of dissolved oxygen consumed by biological consumers when they decompose organic matter in water. The chemical oxygen demand is the amount of oxygen consumed when the water sample is chemically oxidized.
ये वीडियो बनाओ। A sewage pond is an artificial standing body of mechanically and biologically purifies municipal water waste. Since a sewage pond is usually very shallow, a controlled decomposition of impurities takes place in anaerobic and aerobic